Okay, so now we are going to have a quick revision on parallel lines. So parallel lines means it's like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So every time the lines will be not like this only. Okay. It will be like this, like this, like there will be two lines will be like this, and one line will be like this. Two lines will be straight, one line will be like this,
Yes.
like this. Every
Yes.
time the lines will be different, but you have to remember only the angles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The very first point, corresponding angles which are equal to each other.
Yes, sir.
Okay. According to the figure, which are the corresponding angle? Angle A will be?
Angle A is angle E.
Yeah. Angle E. Now tell me angle G.
Angle G is angle B.
Huh?
Sorry, angle C, angle C.
That only, angle C. Yeah. Angle H is equal to?
Angle H is equal to angle D.
Angle D. Yeah, perfect. And angle which remain? Angle E or no? F
Angle
is equal?
Angle F is equal to angle B.
Yeah. Any doubt, beta, in
No,
these four
sir.
concepts? Pakka?
No, sir. Pakka, sir.
Next we will see.
Alternate
Next we will see now the alternate
interior angles.
interior angles. Now tell me angle, which are the interior angles? Angle D, name them, name all the angles.
Angle D and F.
Angle D and F, which are equal to each other, yes. And angle?
Angle C and angle E.
Angle C and angle E, which is also written, we can also write as angle E and angle C.
Yes.
Any
Yes,
doubt till here?
yes, sir. No, sir.
Pakka?
Pakka, sir.
The same goes for same side. No, it's quite different. Same side. Now tell me what is the property for same side of the
Same side
transversal?
transversal D and E.
Okay, wait a second. Angle B.
D and E.
Okay, angle D and E or angle B and E?
Sir, angle D and E.
Angle D and B.
E.
Yeah. Angle E.
Angle C and angle F.
Angle C and angle F. Yeah, that is right. Angle C and angle F. But what we have to do? We have to add them. Angle D plus angle E will be equal to 180 degree.
180 degree.
And angle C plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Pakka?
Pakka, sir.
Now look at the diagram. Look in the diagram and tell me the exterior, okay, exterior alternate angles.
Yes.
Tell me.
Angle A and angle G.
Angle A is equal to angle G. You should say equal to, okay. They are equal to each other now. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And angle?
Angle B is equal to angle H.
Angle B is equal to angle H. Okay. Now same side will be?
Same side, yes, sir.
Now tell me the angle A
is equal to angle H.
Angle H. On same side there is plus.
Yes,
Angle
sir.
A plus angle H, which is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Tell me the second angle.
Angle B and angle G
plus
angle G is equal to 180
degree. No doubt?
No, sir.
Pakka wala?
Pakka, sir.
Now tell me the opposite angles. Opposite angles. Tell me, come on. Opposite angles.
Angle A and angle
Angle
C
A plus angle A is
plus
equal to angle C.
angle C.
Yeah.
Angle B is equal to angle D.
Yeah.
Angle E is equal to angle G.
Yeah. And last.
Angle F is equal to angle H.
H. Yeah. Very good. Miss, you are completed everything. Okay. Now tell me the last one. Last one property is still remaining. Which is that?
Alternate. No.
Linear pair angles. Which?
Pair angle. Yes.
Means these two
Linear pair
angles.
angle.
Linear pair. A linear means one
Yes, sir.
straight line. On straight line, how many angles are there? The sum of that all angles will be 180.
180 degree.
Yeah. Now tell me angle A plus angle B
Plus
is equal
angle
to
B.
180 degree. Now angle B plus angle C is
Angle
equal
C
to
is
again
equal to
180 degree. Means it will be this also 180, this also 180, this also 180, and this also 180.
180.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me angle E and F will be, angle E plus angle F will be
180 degree.
Yeah, angle F and angle G will be
180 degree.
Angle G plus angle H will be
180 degree.
And last angle H plus angle E will be
180 degree.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Paka?
Yes, sir.
So shall we move for the question and answer problems and solutions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question 1. In given figure, angle A is equal to 40 degree and find out the remaining angles. Okay. I will draw the diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Done, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the very first property, the very first thing we have to find angle B. Okay, angle B is here. Yes. So how can we find out
Yes,
angle
sir.
B?
Yes, sir.
Come on, use your brain and tell me which property
40,
can be. Yeah. Which
if we
property
do
can
40 minus 1,
Yeah, 40 minus 180. That's the right. But what is the name of the property?
linear
Yeah, you are right. You
linear
are right.
angle.
Yeah, linear pair angles. Okay, linear
Yes, sir.
pair angles. You
angle.
should write it. Okay, angle B is equal to, oh, sorry. Well, we are finding angle B, right?
Yes, sir.
So angle B plus angle A, so this is angle A, na? Angle A is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
40, which is equal to 180 degree. Write the reason linear pair angles. Okay, now tell me, we know the angle A. What is angle A?
Angle A is 40 degree.
40 degree, which is equal to 180 degree.
180 degree.
Now angle B will be 180 degree,
180 degree minus 40 degree.
40 degree. So angle B will be how much?
140 degree.
How much?
140 degree.
140 degree. Very good. You are smart boy, man. So in such a way, you have to find it out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now look, I will explain you these three, but you have to tell me the solutions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we know angle B is how much?
Angle B is 140 degree.
140 degree. Now what will be angle X?
140 degree.
Wrong.
Oh, no, sir. 40 degree. 40
How?
degree.
Which property?
Sir, opposite. It is
Yeah,
opposite.
very good. Opposite angles. Opposite angles. So easily you can write
Angle.
second question. Second question you have taken as angle X. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now angle A is equal to angle X. Why?
X. It is opposite. Opposite angles.
Angles. Very good. Now tell me angle A is equal to how much?
Angle A is equal to 40 degree.
40 degree, and angle X will also be
40 degree.
40 degree. So therefore angle X is equal to 40 degree. Done with the solution. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now see, we have got this is 40 degree.
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell me what is the value of Y? See this angle and this angle. What is the value of Y?
140 degree.
No.
So 40 degree.
Hey, come on, man. In parallel lines, there are only two angles. Either 140 will be, or else it will be 40 degree.
Yes.
Huh?
So 40 degree.
40 degree, that's the right answer. Now tell me the property, name of the property.
Same.
See, you can use two properties. Two properties you can use here. See, first, alternate. See, this is 40, then this will also become 40.
Yes, sir.
It is alternate, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is 40, then this will also become 40 because of corresponding angle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so two properties are there. You can use whichever you want it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So angle third one, angle, which is the angle Y is equal to. So angle Y is
the
equal
fourth
to,
one.
No, it is third. Now we took the X is second. 1, say 1. This we went for 2. Then we took this third, and last we will go for this. See,
Yes.
even though in the question they are not mentioned numbers, na, so you can find anyone.
Yes.
Whichever
Yes, sir.
is easy for you, you have to find that one first. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that we know that. See, if this is 40, then easily we can say that this is also 40 degree because opposite side, opposite angles.
Yes, sir.
So whichever
sir.
it is easy for you, whichever comes in your mind first, you go for that one.
Yes, sir.
So angle Y is equal to how much? Angle?
Angle Y is equal to 40 degree.
40 degree, that I know, but which angle we will show? Angle X or angle A?
Angle A.
How? Which property?
Opposite degree.
Hey.
So,
Angle A is here,
opposite
na?
angles.
Angle A is here and angle Y is here.
Opposite angle.
No opposite angle. Opposite angle we can't use here. See, look now, beta, which property is there? Go in your, see.
Sir, corresponding angles, sir.
No corresponding angles. Go and look alternate angles, beta. See, alternate interior angles. These are the interior angles, na?
Yes, sir.
Beta. See, these are interior angles, right?
Yes,
1,
sir.
2, 3, and 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So alternate this and this will be equal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now come to your question and see. Angle A is 40 degree, and we know that angle A and angle Y are equal. So this is
Yes,
cross.
sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me
Alternate.
which property we will use.
Alternate interior angles.
Alternate
Interior angles.
angles. Now angle y is equal, angle A is equal to, angle A is equal to 40 degree. Therefore angle y is also equal to 40 degree. And the last one, which is the last one now?
G, angle G.
Angle G.
G.
Angle G, fourth
40
one.
degree.
Angle G will be
40 degree.
which property?
Opposite angle.
Opposite angle, you have remember it like in your head only. Okay. So angle G is equal to which angle? Angle Y. And we know that angle Y is equal to 40 degree. So your angle G will also become 40 degree.
40 degree.
Write the property, use your opposite angles.
Yes, sir.
Come on, write the question now. Write the solution for your question. You can
Yes.
see it now?
Yes, sir, I can see it.
Yeah, come on. Take your time, 2 minutes of time, and you just write it down.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will do another question now. It was a simple question, nah?
Sir?
It was a simple question.
Yes.
Let's do something. They take all. Question 2. Prove that line L is parallel to line M when the given till here only. Listen.
Yes, sir.
What we have to prove? We have to prove that the line L is parallel to line M. That's the simple question for you. No more rocket science. First, I will draw the line.
Yes.
These are the lines. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this is L and this is M. And what we have to do,
Yes.
we have to prove that whether these two lines are parallel when this angle is 40 degree and this angle is 139 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We know that this is 40 degree and this is 190 degree. Along with these two angles, we have to show that whether these two lines are parallel or not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How can we do it? First, let us write given, since this is a solution, given that one angle, like we will take angle A is equal to 40 degree and angle B is equal to 139 degree. Okay.
Yes.
Now I would like to ask you one question. When these two lines, if these two lines were parallel, okay, I'm talking about if these two lines were parallel, then the sum of these two angles would have been
Same.
sum. I'm talking about sum beta, sum, addition.
Some.
What would
Yes, sir.
be the addition of these two angles? Come on, open your book. See, they are on the same
Yes.
side of transversal.
Yes, sir.
They are on the same side of transversal. So check what is the property for the same side on the transversal.
Yes, sir.
Come on, you have 1 minute of time, no more than that. Come on, check it.
Sir, we should add both the 40 and
I'm telling
139.
you to check the property. You have written it right in your book.
Yes, sir.
Go and check the property when this
Yes.
when these two angles are given. Okay, when these two angles are given, what is the property when we can say that these two lines are parallel to each other.
Yes, sir.
They are on the same side of transversal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, check. Hey, look here. See, interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary.
Yes, sir.
Means what I was trying to tell you is कि जब भी आपके पास ऐसे दो एंगल्स रहेंगे, so the addition of these two angles will be supplementary. So what is the supplementary angle?
180 degree.
180 degree. So let us prove now. Okay, we have to prove that to prove line L is parallel to line M. We have to prove this. Okay, let us see whether we can prove it or not. Okay, we are just checking it whether we can prove it or not. Proof. Okay, how to do proof? It is very simple. Proof. We know that what is the addition of this? Angle A plus angle B will be
Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree.
180 degree. So what is your angle A?
Angle A is 40 degree.
Plus
139 degree.
which is equal to 180 degree.
180.
So add them.
Yes.
40
Yes,
plus
sir.
139.
One 79.
179 is equal to 180. Is it equal to 180?
No, sir.
So it is not equal to 180. Therefore, line L is not parallel to line M. Understood?
Yes, sir.
See, if the sum of this would have been 180 degree, so they will be equal to each other, then we can say that line L is parallel to line M. But it is not
Yes,
equal to 180 degree. That's why it is not a parallel line.
Line. Yes.
Come on, write it down. Hey, are you understood what I said?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You should tell me all the properties, as well as that you have to tell me the measurement of the angles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yup. So find the values. Line N is parallel to line M. Okay. And this is your transversal.
Yes.
If this angle is 120 degree, the first question is, and there A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Now tell me the measurement of angle F.
Angle F.
First tell me which is the angle F? Internal angle or external angle?
External angle.
External angle. Perfect. Now look at the alternate external angle for angle F.
120 degree.
Yeah, 120 degree. 120 degree. because
So
the
we
say,
should not, we should even give the name.
for which
120 degree, what type of it is. We should give even the name.
means like angle A or angle B or angle C like this.
No, sir. We should give with the which type of angle it is. We should give. No.
No. We just have to tell you the property.
Yes, sir.
How angle F is equal to 120 degree. Which property we use? We use external
Opposite
alternate
exterior line.
angles.
And
See,
yes, sir.
how to remember the property or how to come to the property is simple as that. Like I ask you the angle F, right? Angle F.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
We know that angle F is an internal angle or external angle.
External angle.
External angle. Okay. Now see, 120 is external angle or internal angle?
120 external angle.
External angle. See, what is the alternate angle for 120 degree?
Alternate C.
Alternate beta, alternate external angle.
Alternate exterior angle F.
Angle F. So angle F and angle C, 120 is equal na beta?
Yes, sir.
That only. This is how we have to remember it.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me second one. Angle A will be
Angle A. 120 minus 1 minute, sir.
yeah.
Minus 120. So 60.
60 degree. How? Which
Yes.
property?
It is so corresponding.
No. Corresponding means like we see. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Na? 1, 2, 3, 4. Same 1, 2, 3, 4 will be equal.
Yes,
These
sir.
are corresponding. I am talking
Yes, sir.
about this. You did minus. Na? In corresponding, there are equal. You did addition. You did subtraction, right?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me na, where we do subtraction, the side angles, we call them as dash pair angles. See, dash pairs angle. Come on, what will
Yes.
be there in dash, underline? Come on, see your properties.
Linear pair angles.
Linear pair angles. Linear pair
Pair angles.
angles. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Question 3, angle C. Question 4, angle E. Question 5, angle G. And question 6, angle D. Find it out and tell me. You have only 5 minutes of time.
Yes, sir.
You should write properties also.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
E. Yes.
So what we want to do, write the pairs of all the properties of parallel lines. We have to write all the properties of parallel lines, all the pairs of properties. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So which is the first property? First property. Which is the first property that I taught you?
Corresponding angles.
CORRESPOND. Corresponding angles.
Angle.
Let us consider for your knowledge, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
It is not actual now. We are going to look for the names. Okay.
Yes.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now, tell me first corresponding angle. If angle A we consider, what is the name of angle A?
Angle A
Huh?
and angle C.
A. It is not corresponding angle. Angle A is here. Na? What will be the corresponding pair?
Corresponding pair angle E.
Angle E it is. But what is the name? Name. If this is your angle A, your name will be A, G, C. So angle
AGC. Okay.
Angle
AH
AGC will be
and
equal to which angle?
will be equal to angle GHD.
Angle GHD. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, tell me the pair of B.
Angle B, angle AGB.
Angle A. Wait a minute. My
GB.
loading is going. AGB. What happened to my screen? Something happened. Just give me 1 second.
Yes.
Okay. Angle
AGB.
AGB will be equal to
Angle GHE.
angle GHE.
Yes, sir.
You have got all these things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have 5 minutes of time. Then you have to write all the properties. Okay, 4 corresponding pairs. Then
Yes,
you
sir.
have to write the names like these names proper. I will ask you each and every one,
Yes.
each and every point. Then the second
Yes,
is
sir.
alternate, interior, angles. The third is
Sir, how to write alternate interior angles?
same bit. I will show you one. See,
Yes, sir.
angle D. Angle
Yes,
D
sir.
will be equal to angle F, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
So what is the name of angle D? C. Tell me.
G
Angle C.
CGH.
Yeah. And angle F.
Angle F HG and E.
Wrong. Like this, go na beta. Angle is like this, na?
Yes, sir. G, H and E.
G, H and
E.
E. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then third, sum of interior angles on same side. Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
fourth is your exterior alternate angles.
Yes.
Then it comes out to be sum of exterior angles
Yes.
on same side. And last but not the least, fifth and sixth one, opposite angles.
Yes.
Come on. You have only how much time you need to write all these things?
Sir, don't know.
Yeah, okay. Approximately, I'm ready to give you 10 minutes. No more than 10 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come on.
Sir, can you go little bit up?
Little bit up. Okay. Now?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
corresponding angle is 1 minute, sir, I'll tell you.
Yeah. You are only going to tell me. I am not going to tell you now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Angle AGC corresponding. So angle. So angle D.
Which?
Angle DGF.
DGF. Okay, DGF or BGF?
Sir, DGF.
You see, look here. Your D is here, your G is here, and your F is here. How?
Sir, sorry. Yes, sir, I have written it wrong. Sir, DHF.
Angle D, H, and
HF.
F is equal to?
Sir, 1 minute. Angle GHF. So angle H. So angle EHG.
EHG.
G.
Means you are telling me that DHF means this angle is equal to this angle, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is a corresponding angle.
Yes, sir.
No, it is opposite angle, na beta. See, look here. If this pair are corresponding, see, look here. This is the parallel line shape. Okay, this is the figure. Look like this, right?
Yes, sir.
There are 4 angles, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? These are the 4
Yes,
angles.
sir.
Here also
Yes,
we
sir.
have 4 angles, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yes, sir.
All these 4 angles will be equal to these 4 angles. That is what corresponding angle says.
Yes, sir.
So 1 will be equal to 1, 2 will be equal to 2, 3 will be equal to 3, 4 will be equal to 4. Now tell me,
Yes,
if
sir.
angle A is equal to angle E, then angle D will be equal to?
Angle D will be equal to angle AG. Sorry, angle AGB.
You're going wrong, completely wrong. See, don't get confused. Listen, now listen carefully, okay?
Yes, sir.
Have you drawn the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the name A,
B, C, D,
B,
E.
C, D,
Sir, C is this side, sir.
and B is here, na?
B is here, yes, sir.
And
F.
F,
G, H. Sir, G is here. Yes, sir, correct. H only, sir.
and H, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, H is down.
That only I was saying. G and H. Any doubt till here?
Yes. No, sir.
Look this diagram.
Yes, sir.
See, there are 4 angles. 1, 2,
Yes,
3,
sir.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Again,
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
So these 4 angles will be equal to these 4 angles. Means this angle will be
Yes.
equal to this angle. This angle will be equal to this angle. This angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle.
Yes, sir.
It is simply, we called it as a corresponding angles, corresponding
Yes,
pairs
yes.
of angles. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, like if in corresponding angle like AGH, where is AGC means this angle. this angle is equal to GHD.
Yes, sir.
GHD will be equal to this angle. See, angle 1 is equal to angle 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then AGB means
Yes.
this angle.
Yes, sir.
This angle will be equal to angle GHE. This
Yes,
angle.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now coming up to the next, this angle will be equal to, tell me the name of the angle which will be equal to this angle.
Angle DHG.
DH.
G.
G is here na beta. This is already done na.
Okay.
DH.
Angle DHF.
Angle DHF.
F.
And the last
Angle GHE.
angle
Angle BGH.
BGH. This angle, yes, will be equal to
Angle EHF.
EHF. Come on, check it out, all. Everything is right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Angle CGH. Angle BGH is equal to angle EHF. Yes, sir. Done.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the alternate angles.
Angle CGH is equal
CGH
to DH.
EHG.
D-
Yes.
DHG. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
EHG na.
Sir, DHG.
Miss, you are telling me which angle? Tell me again.
Sir, angle CGH and angle DHG.
CGH. Miss, this angle, right?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to
DHG.
B or D?
DHG.
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 This angle. No, wrong. It is corresponding angle, na?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Look this. See, you are getting confused. See, listen now carefully.
Yes.
Alternate angles, alternate interior angles, they have asked.
Yes, sir.
So internal angles means this 1, 2, 3, and 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Alternate, they have asked. Alternate means opposite. This angle will be
Yes,
equal
sir.
to this angle. Now tell me
Yes,
the
sir.
name of these angles. Tell me the name.
Angle CGH.
Angle CGH is equal to
Angle GHE.
angle. How you will
GHE.
start with G? It is in the center, na?
Yes, sir.
Tell me again.
Angle EHG.
See this angle and this angle, right?
Yes, sir.
CGH will be equal to
This angle, sir.
tell me the name.
EHG.
Yeah. Next. Once we are done with this,
Next.
second with this one.
Yes, sir. BGH.
BGH, very good.
EHG.
This angle and this angle again.
Sir, sorry. Yes, sir. DHG.
Angle DH.
HG.
Yeah. Now tell me the sum of internal angles. Sum.
Yes, sir.
Come on, tell me the sum.
Sum of internal angles on third one. Yes, sir. Third one.
Yeah.
CGH.
CGH, angle C,
CGH
angle CGH
is equal to
plus. It is sum,
yes, sir,
na?
plus, yes, sir, plus
Huh?
angle DHG.
Angle DHG, which is equal to 180 degree, right?
180 degree. Yes, sir.
Tell me the second now.
Angle
Angle
BGH.
Angle EG. Huh? Okay, BGH. BGH
Plus
plus
angle EHG is equal to 180
HG is
degree.
equal to 180 degree. Very good. And last, now come to the external part. External part, tell me the external now.
Yes, sir. AGC is equal to EHF.
Yeah, AGC is equal to
EHF.
EHF. Very good. Next.
Angle AGB is equal to angle DHF.
Yeah, very good. Next. Now come to the sum.
Angle AGC is equal to
AGC,
angle DHF.
angle DHF is equal to, no, it will be plus sum now. You man.
Yes, sir.
It is sum, na?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the sum. If it
Angle
is sum,
AGC plus angle DHF
is equal to?
is equal to 180 degree.
Yeah, very good. Now next.
Angle AGB plus angle EHF is equal to 180 degree.
Okay, very good. Now tell me the opposite angles.
Angle AGC is equal to BGH.
Yeah, very good. These two angles.
Angle AGB is equal to CGH.
Yeah, very good.
Angle GHD is equal to EHF.
Yeah.
Angle GHE is equal to DHF.
Yeah, good. Perfect. So so you can now write the name of angles, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, shall we do one question more?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number, what is the question number this?
6.
Solve the following questions. Question 1 in the sub question, check whether the line, whether the seg BC is parallel to DF. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And find, first I will draw the diagram. Second question, find angle APC, then angle FQE, angle DQE, and angle APB. Okay. In one question, there are two questions. Listen carefully. First, check whether the sec BC is parallel to DF or not. What we have to do? We have to check whether these two are parallel to each other or not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If they are parallel, then only you can solve the question number 2, or else you won't be able to solve question number 2.
2. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how to check? See, two internal angles are given on the same side of transversal.
Yes, sir.
If the addition is of 180, then we can say that it is a
Equal.
no. If addition is equal to 180, then we will say these lines are
Um.
this line will be
Both
parallel.
are parallel to each other. Yes, sir.
Yeah, if the addition is 180 degree, then we can say that this is a BC
Parallel line.
parallel to DF. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So come on, check it out. First prove this. First check it whether these lines are parallel or not. Once you got,
Yes, sir.
if they are parallel, then you can solve this question. If they are not parallel, then you won't be able to solve the questions. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Come
sir.
on. You have only 5 minutes of time.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to start another question, which is quite tricky or quite difficult. So solution, first tell me whether they are internal angles or external angles.
Internal angles.
Internal angles. In internal angles, they're alternate or they're on the same side?
On the same side.
On the same side. So on the same side means the measurement of these two angles, like angle 1 plus angle 2, will be
180 degree.
180 degree. No doubt till here.
No, sir.
Let us consider this 1 and this 2. So angle 1 is how much?
Angle 1 is 2x.
2x plus angle 2 is
4x.
4x, which is equal to
180 degree.
in doubt?
No, sir.
Pakka wala?
Pakka, sir.
Now next. 2x plus 4x.
2x plus 4x, 6x.
6x is equal to 180 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now what will be the value of x?
X is equal to 180 divided by 6.
What will be the answer? X will be
30, sir.
30 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now let us find angle 1 is equal to 2x, right?
Yes, sir.
So angle 1 will be 2 into 30. Because
sir.
we have found, we know the value of x is 30.
30, yes, sir.
So your angle 1 will be
Angle 1 is going to be
2 into 30.
2 into 30, yes, sir. Sir, 60 degree.
60 degree.
Degree.
And angle 2
4
will
into
be
30.
4x, which will be 4 into 30. So 430 is a,
120 degree. 120 degree.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Come on, copy it down.
Yes, sir. Sir, done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will conclude my lecture for the day. Next,
Yes, sir.
I will stop the